Are you tired of feeling like you are stuck in a fashion rut? Do you struggle to find outfits that truly reflect your personality and style? You are not alone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll explore the world of personal style and provide you with practical tips on how to find your unique voice in fashion. First of all, you need to understand your personal style. Before we dive into the nitty gritty of building your wardrobe, let's define what personal style really means. Your personal style is a reflection of your personality, values, and aesthetics. It's about finding a way to express yourself through fashion that feels authentic and confident. Now, identify your style icons. So, who inspire you with their fashion sense? Is it a celebrity, a blogger, or even a friend? Take note of what you like about their style and how you can incorporate those elements into your own wardrobe. This will help you develop a clear vision of what you want your personal style to look like. Once you know what style you want to incorporate, understanding your body shape is crucial to finding your personal style. What are your proportions? What are your strengths and weaknesses? Knowing your body shape will help you make informed decisions when it comes to buying clothes and creating outfits that flatter your feature. Now that we have talked about personal style, let's talk about building a capsule wardrobe. A capsule wardrobe is a small collection of essential pieces that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits. Having a capsule wardrobe will help you simplify your fashion choices and focus on what really matters, expressing yourself through fashion. Here comes the final step. With your capsule wardrobe in place, it's time to think about how to elevate your look. This might involve investing in a few quality pieces, learning how to style your clothes in new and interesting ways, or experimenting with different accessories and beauty looks. The key is to have fun and be creative. So, your personal style journey is unique and is essential to be gentle with yourself as you navigate. Recall that personal style is about conveying your authentic self through fashion with confidence and charm. By pinpointing your style influence, your body shape, constructing a capsule wardrobe, and elevate your look, you will develop a personal style that genuinely mirrors your character and essence. That's it for today's video. Subscribe for more styling content and comment down your fashion icons. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and love yourself.